going to talk about our fast facts today. Today we have -4. Okay, so we're on the -4 page. And we're going to talk about the types of facts that they might be. You don't have to think of them this way. Your math brain may work differently than mine or someone else's, and that's okay. But we're just going to talk about some different ways that you might think about these facts. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4 different categories of facts. I called them take all, take none, take half, or take some. They're all take because they're all starting with an amount or a number and taking some away because it's subtraction. So it's always going to be taking some away or comparing a smaller number to a larger number. All right, so I have the facts here, and I'm just going to shuffle them and I'm going to take one. Okay, 4 minus 4. So I want you just to think about, where would you put that? Would you call that a take all if you started with 4 and took 4 away? Would you call that a take all, take none, take half, or take some? So if you start with 4 and you subtract 4, in my mind, you're taking all. Okay? All right, let's see. Okay, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. I'm gonna take one. All right. Here I have the fact 8 minus 4. 8, take away 4. Would you call that take all, take none, take half, or take some? Double 4s is 8, gives us 8. So if 2 of these gives us 8, then that means that a 4 is half of 8. So if you know your doubles facts, which we have worked with those quite a bit, if you know your doubles, you'll know that this is take half. 2 4s has the same value as 1 8. So that's a take half. I didn't have to calculate or count up or count down or do any of that because I already knew that double 4s was 8. 6 minus 4. It's not half. We're not taking all. We're not taking none. We're not taking half. We're taking some. 4 minus 3. We're not taking all. We're not taking none. We're not taking half. We are taking some. 4 minus 2. We're not taking all. We're not taking none. We are taking half. So if we split 4 in half, it would be 2 2s. Okay. We're not taking all. We are taking none. We're taking none. 4 minus 4, we still have 4. 9 minus 4. That's not half. It's not none. It's not all. It's some. 5 minus 4 is also taking some. And one last one. 7 minus 4. We're not taking all. We're not taking none. We're not taking half. We are taking some. So I'm going to take some of these, take sums, and I'm just going to show you a new way you could do this. Not new, we did this in school. It's just a way of looking at these facts on a number line. So I've made a little number line here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to look at this take sum fact. And we're just going to find a way. We're going to start at our starting point. And we're going to see how many jumps we need to take backwards to get to 4. So if we start at 7, we need to jump 1, 2, 3 times backwards. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. We could start at 5 and jump 4 times backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we land on the 1. So 4 and a 1 is a 5. So 5 minus 4 equals 1. 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 gives us 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. A 4 and a 5 are the 2 parts of 9. The other thing we could do is we could start at the 4 and count up. and see how many jumps we have to make to get to 9. We're just trying to find what's the difference between 9 and 4. So if we start at 4, to get to 9, we would have to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we still get that the difference between 4 and 9 is 5. Even if we start at the 9 and we jump back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 jumps either way we go between a 4 and a 9. All right, so enjoy your fast facts, and remember there are lots of different strategies and lots of different ways for mathematicians to think.